Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti Gaur YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start with question number 15 of exercise 2.5 chapter 2 polynomials. This is from class 9th Maths NCERT book. We have covered the whole exercise now and we have been left with only two questions. So we are done till question number 14 and in this question number 15 we have give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. So we have been given two parts in this. First one is area of a rectangle, which is given you in the form of polynomial. Rectangle is equals to 25a square minus 35a plus 12, right? So if we think about area of rectangle, what you all have learned till now? Area of rectangle in the term of its length and breadth is what? L into B, right? Length into breadth. So we want two expressions here so that when they multiply, we should get this area, this polynomial. Okay, so we are going to find two factors out of this polynomial such that we can write them in the place of length and breadth, and that's how we will get to know what is the length and breadth of this rectangle. And we also have to do what? We have to give the expression for length and breadth. So that is what we are required to do. Now, if I want to factorize 25a square minus 35a plus 12, what will I be doing? I'll be going with splitting the middle term method. Now, you all have learned this with me in this chapter. If anybody of you have not learned that, please go and watch the splitting the middle term method, where I have explained two other methods as well to factorize a polynomial. That will help you a lot in this question. Now, directly coming on to the method, it says that we have to multiply first term with the last term. So we are going to multiply first term 25 multiplied by 12. It will give us 25, 12, 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 will be 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2, 0 and 300 we have got. So let me write it like this. It will be covering the whole space. So let us write here that we have got 300 by multiplying first term with the last term. Now we want two things, two factors, such that the product should be 300, but if we add both of the factors, the sum should be the middle term, which is here minus 35a. So I want two numbers which would give me product as 300 but the sum as minus 35a. So I am first going to try some numbers. Let's say 15, 20. 15 and 20. Yeah, 15 and 20 comes to my mind. So if I write 15 and 20, so when we will multiply them, 20 into 15, they will get us 300 as a product. But we have to focus on the sign here, that we are getting plus 300, right? So for plus 300, I would give both of them negative sign, because you all know that if I multiply minus 15 with minus 20, then only I'll be getting plus 300. Yes, because minus into minus will give us plus. In any other case, if I take this 15 as positive and another one as negative, it would not give us positive of any number, right? So we are not going to take any of these two factors in negative and positive one, because anyhow they're going to give us negative. So we are going to take negative with both of the factors such that our product would be in positive. So I hope everybody is clear with this thing. So I am taking 15 and 20 just because they are giving us product 300. Also I am giving them sign negative and negative such that they give us plus of 300, right? And if I check the addition, if I check the sum, they are also giving us what? Minus 35. And of course we will be placing a with both of them, because anyhow we are finding the two factors of 300a square, right? 25a square into 12, 25, I'm sorry, I would write this here. This we got by multiplying 25a square with 12. So we got 300a square. So I think I am correct by taking these two numbers as factors, right? So it is this. In place of the middle term, we place what? The two numbers we have got here. So minus 15a and minus 20a, I'm going to write plus 12 in the place of the middle term. That is why the method is called splitting the middle term. I have split the middle term into two parts, right? So I'm going to take common out of these two first term. That would be what? If I take 5a in common, because I can see the numerical value common between them is 5, and the the variable which is in common is a. So I'll be writing 5a and minus 3 inside, minus, out of these two I can see I can take out 4 common, so it will be 5a minus 3, because we want 4 and 3 to multiply and give us positive. So I am writing minus here, such that minus into minus would give us plus. I hope everybody is clear. Now 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 3. See, we are getting these two things same. It means it is the indication that we have taken the right things common. 5a minus 3 will be common out of these two. Now 5a minus 4 will be left inside. So we have got two expressions here. In place of length and breadth, we would be writing 5a minus 3, 5a minus 4, such that if we multiply them, we would be getting this polynomial, right? So we have got the length and breadth, or you can say that we have expressed this area in the form of length and breadth. Coming on to the second part. So in the second part, we have area of rectangle is equals to 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Here also we are going to express this area in the form of length into breadth. Area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, so we are going to solve this polynomial as well by splitting the middle term method. Let me write it first. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. What do? We multiply the first term with the last one. So if I try to multiply here 35 into minus 12, here it is a square, we would be getting, solve in the side, or I would solve it here, then I'll rub from here. 35 into 12 will give us 2 5 10, 2 3 6, plus 1 7, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 is 2 3 is 3, 0 12 4, 420 we have got. Let me erase it because we will be doing the rest of the solution here. 420 a square, and that is in negative because we had 12 in negative, right? So we want two numbers here, such that, again I'm saying, such that the product should be minus 420 a square, but the sum should be the middle term, that is plus 13y here. Now if I try to write some numbers such that the product is 420, how would I get? Let us take LCM here, because it is a number we can't do it in mind. So if I try to take LCM, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 0 is 0. Now 3 times 7 is 21, 7 10, and 5 2 2 1. So if I try to make a pair, let us try, we want plus 13, right? So if I try to make 7 3 21, 21 into 2 42, and 10, it is not going to work. So that is how we try, I'm trying in front of you. Let us take 7 into 5, 35. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. If we subtract them, you are going to get 23, which is also not going to work for us. If I try to take 7 into 2, 14, and 14 into 2, 28, and the left one are 5 into 3, 15, would I be getting 13? Yes. So we have found out if we subtract both of them, we would be getting 13. But we want 13 in positive. So I would be taking 28 and 15, but I would be giving 28 a positive sign, because here the number which is greater, it will give us a sign, its sign, right? And I would be giving 15 minus, they both are a and a, right? So in place of middle term, I am going to write 35y square plus 28a minus 15a plus 12. You can also see here, when we are going to multiply 28 and 15 with these signs, we are going to get 420 in negative, and that's what we wanted, right? So we are going to take something common out of sorry, here it is not a, it is y. I am mistaken, I'm sorry. So you need to take whatever variable has been given in your question, right? So here it was y. If there would have been a in place of this y, I would have written a. So if I come here this side, 35y square and 28y, I would be taking something common out of these two terms. So if I can see 7y, I'd be taking common. This will be 5y plus 4 inside, and from here we would be taking common as 3, and inside would be getting y minus 5y plus 4, right? 7y minus 3, 5y plus 4 we would be getting common, and 7y minus 3 would be left inside. So we have got two expressions in place of length and breadth, such that length is 5y plus 4, or either of them you can take. 7y minus 3 is your breadth. So we have expressed this polynomial as well in the form of length and breadth. If there is some query in this question, you can go through the video again and try to understand it. I'm sure you'll get it very soon. So for now, if you have understood the solution, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. If you have query regarding this question or any another question to ask, please comment me in the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye bye.